If you own a 2020 or newer Spyder RT or RT Limited, you may have noticed that the seat strut that came equipped from the factory is not quite strong enough to hold up the seat's weight. This can be a nuisance when refueling for that next road trip. We've teamed up with Showchrome to address this issue by bringing you a heavy-duty replacement seat strut. Once installed, you'll experience a significant improvement in lift strength compared to the stock strut, greatly simplifying the refueling process. Allow us to walk you through the installation on our shop Spyder RT Limited.
Before you begin, make sure that your bike is on level ground and that your parking brake is engaged. Start by pushing in on the key and turning it clockwise to unlatch the driver's seat so that you can lift it up. Reach under the driver's seat and press the two tabs securing the front of the passenger seat in place. Then lift up slightly to release it. Carefully disconnect the factory wiring harness from the underside of the passenger seat so that you can remove it from the bike. Lift up on the driver's seat so that you can access the screw holding in the top of the factory seat strut. Depending on your model year, you'll need either a T20 Torx or an 8mm socket with ratchet to remove the OEM screw. Please note that the factory screw will be reused. While supporting the seat weight with one hand, slide the top of the seat strut off its mounting post, so that you can rotate the driver's seat up and out of the way. Use a long flathead screwdriver to pry straight out on the metal clips securing the bottom of the strut so that you can pull it off and remove it from the bike. Connect the bottom end of the new seat strut to the lower ball mount by pressing in firmly until it snaps into place. Rotate the driver's seat back into position so that you can align the top of the strut with the upper mounting post. Then use the factory screw to secure it into place, making sure not to over-tighten. Test the functionality of the new seat strut. If everything looks good, reconnect your passenger seat harness. Push back to slide in the two plastic tabs at the rear of the seat, then press down firmly to secure the two front mounting tabs.
And that's all there is to it, folks. Now, if a beefier seat strut is on your mod list, head over to slingmods.com today or click the link in the description below to grab one for your bike. Feel free to like and subscribe to stay up to date with everything Spyder. I'm Jen, signing out until next time.